Hello and welcome back to Casa de Mañana Properties. Today we are here to show you a very affordable alternative for you. We have a beach bungalow which is 60 square meters. It sits on an 822 square meter lot located right next to Playa Junquillal, Playa Blanca, Playa Callejones, Playa Negra, and further down Avellanas. So this beach bungalow has various fruit trees on it. It is nicely landscaped and it has two access points for you to be able to enter the property. And I also want to mention at this particular time that if you visit our website, you will also see this other beach bungalow, which is on our website for sale, and that is also at $120,000, or you could buy them both. Okay, so let's go take a look inside this property. When you're outside on this property, you can also hear the ocean off in the distance. Has a nice shaded little patio in the front area where you can enjoy the outside. When you walk inside this beach bungalow, you absolutely feel like you are at the beach. It's very relaxing, simply decorated, easy to clean. This beach bungalow also has a very good rental history. So whether you're planning to live here or rent the property, there is income that comes in. When you're in the property inside, it's very open and spacious, but also you have the alternative of shutting off the bedroom and of course the bathroom with sliding doors. Very spacious bathroom. It has a beautiful mosaic which was done by a local artist. The wood here is from local wood. The shower is spacious enough for maybe you and your loved one. Very large bedroom. Air conditioning in the bedroom, high ceilings, gives it a great open feel. Off of the bedroom, you then enter another part of the property, which I mentioned. There's a seasonal quebrada in the back here, so when it rains, you have a river that passes through. There's more space out here to plant additional fruit trees. We see here some bananas, some plantain, mango, lemon. The colors in this beach bungalow are very bright, so it gives you a very nice warm feeling. The floor is very nicely done. You have everything you need here to enjoy your beach experience. So I just want to let you know that this is a very affordable alternative for you at $120,000 asking price, with just a few minutes from the beach. You can achieve your Casa de Mañana, your house of tomorrow. So please visit us at casademañanacr.com. Love to hear